Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I wanted to make one of my usual quick videos that shows you that you can make modern art in a flash. But I'm meant to prime it. I just have to give myself this opportunity, that's all. So that would have been it, pretty close. But you can see that I'm short on paint. So I'll just give it another go with what I can. Well, that's not going to let me have it anymore. But I want some more. That's why I have a backup bottle. So all of this, that's pretty cool. All of this is to give myself a base coat for using up my leftovers. But I thought it would be good, since I haven't shown you guys for a while how I spread my paint, to include you in that process. Just because you might be new and I have new subscribers, and if you're new and you're here, welcome. Please be welcomed. I will try and list the colors. They're Prizm Pour colors from Colour Arte. There is a coupon code below the video. Any shopping you do helps me as an affiliate, and I would really appreciate that. So I'm hoping I have enough paint, and I think I do. I don't want a super thick layer, although I might change my mind because paint will flow to paint. If I don't have enough, what I put down might not flow well. I think what I'm going to do is add more paint to the paint that I've got. I'm just going to add more Chantilly lace and maybe a little bit of more of my mixture of Orange Crush with Big Apple. Just need to cover that last little spot. And that is a pretty good coverage, except for the fact that I keep dragging my fingernails through there. Not good. So there is a grain to the canvas, and if it looks like it's all roughed up, then you don't have it going with the grain. And that's, to me, that would be a good idea. So that's when I switch directions, that's what I'm doing. I'm going with the grain, because I think that it will dry more sleekly, more flat. I'm going to throw that in the bucket. I'm going to take my paint pan, look for any little spots along the edge that need to run my finger along them. Now, I can see that that could use a little more white or Chantilly lace. It was open a moment ago, I promise you. There, it's still open. Now, how much can I get out with my... You know what? I'm just going to give myself the orange I crave right now. And maybe a little bit more. Is it open? Maybe a little bit more of the blue bonnet. And anything else I might desire. I think I'm good. I like everything I see in there. It's not always easy to get the paint out. Because there's glad cling wrap in here. I thought I might drag the skewer, the spatula, or even the tongue depressor through. But we'll see how I feel about it after I get the paint down. I meant to put some more gold in there and I didn't do it. I'm tipping my boat by accident. Turn that around and go from the other direction. I thought if I could get a heavy enough layer on here, I would probably tip it. But it's looking like it's not going to be tippable. This might be really fast. I might just decide to let it be. I will try and find the colors from the last video that I named all the colors in and repeat them. I want some of my paint out of the way so I can get some elbow room in there. That's pretty cool. I might add some other paint colors. I think that's a good thought. I think I want to do a scrape out. Gently so I keep my colors. There, I'm pleased at how much paint I got out of there. Let's hope I'm still pleased after I finish dribbling. Kind of makes me want to put some of the paint I was talking about right in there. I think I'm going to take out the last little bit. So my boat is pretty much empty. No wiping up or throwing away necessary. And I'm going to grab some of this pink diamond and a little bit of the orange crush with Big Apple in it. And a little bit of the Mayan gold too. I could go with silver. Oh, great combination. I try not to drip, but then I usually go, wow, that looks great. So let's hope that that's the case. I'm going back to the pink diamond. Sometimes even when it's almost empty, if you get a good stream going. Yeah, I'm not unhappy with that. I've got a small spatula which is going to help me get the last of this out. These are Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, and you can find them on my Amazon link, along with the OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatula I forgot to tell you about to begin with, which is the best paint spreading tool I know of. I'm almost done. I don't think I'm going to do anything more than enjoy the fact that it looks like a party, which is my forte, evidently. Party or music. I don't know. I say that and then I change my mind and add something else, and I'm thinking either orange or some of the bright pink. But I did use all my paint and I like how I used it. I'll have to zoom in. I think that's going to go right there. Have anything extra? Throw my spatula, my grease boat, and my shovel right in the bucket, and decide right now if I want some. Yes. Not a problem. I've decided. Looks like I got a couple of bubbles I might want to take out with a skewer. Looks like I also might want to add a few more dots because I can. I love doing this. I hope someday I get a studio big enough so that I can do something I've done small that I loved larger. You know what I don't dot with usually is some of this true silver, and it's awesome. The smaller the dot, the better in this case, because they do spread out, especially when it's a wet background like right now. So what did I not tell you? I have 2,400 videos, and they are able to be found easily by going to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists when you visit my channel. If you're not subscribed, please be welcomed. We'd love to have you. I don't know if I can get away with the gold, mainly because I cut the top so that it would let out a more massive volume. Oh, the orange is great. Space Party. If you can think of a good title, let me know. There are a series of these. I don't know, they're basically called shovel pours. I want some gold. I think in order to get some gold and not have it be dangerous, I'm going to have to put it in the little container and grab my half skewer. So anybody can do this shovel pour stuff. You just have to take your time while you're doing it. And if you're going to dot, go easy. Because you can always add things, but taking them away is difficult. Alright, unless I change my mind, that is pretty much it. And I'm liking it. And then I changed my mind. Just another pink dot, I think. Just one? Alright, I'm going to try and get a close-up so I can shimmer this at you. And don't forget that 20% off Colour Arte coupon code underneath the video. It's almost time to change my paper. Let's get the phone down. There's my shimmer. I like this size. I don't know that I've done this on a 14 by 14 before, and I like it. The colors are beautiful. So I know that's cerulean blue, and I know the orange is orange crush with Big Apple. I can see that it's time to grab something to pop some bubbles. I do love leftovers. Wow, just so pretty, such simple and not much paint really if you think about it. Not that I really had much choice. I could have done something else. I might do something else. I might do it again with a vaster quantity and tip it. I'm always threatening tipping and I'm never doing it. I am going to torch release whatever bubbles I can't see, just in case there are any, because I don't like coming the next day and finding them. But remember, I love you. Thank you for your kind words and your encouraging comments. I really appreciate your help keeping my morale boosted. And if you're interested in shopping, I've got new designs added to Society 6, and they're gorgeous. And also to fineartamericapixels.com, both of which are on my link tree, which is underneath Show More, along with my Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. And it helps me out, obviously. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2, the first and the second 100 videos and tools and processes, all written down for you with links to the original videos. If you like what I do, if you're just a nice person, you give me a thumbs up. Please share my videos if you're of a mind to. That really helps my channel out. My paint pouring recipes are underneath the video. If you have questions for me, feel free to ask. I'm happy to help you. And if you need a link, there's over 2,400 videos, and I will be able to retrieve them from genre and topic and by the 100. And if you want to look for them yourself, go to my channel and look for playlists, all playlists, created playlists, and you'll find them yourself. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. I like to sell my artwork. It helps pay the bills. All right, I'll see you guys anon. Priscilla out. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. I love you guys. Thanks for coming. You inspire the heck out of me. See you